Good evening. Why to forgive and not to take revenge? Well, the toxic feeling of anger, rage, hatred, uh, resentment, and bitterness which the vengeful person feels when often causes them more real harm than anything anyone else has done to them. Well, such toxic feelings stress the body and mind and can create long term physical and mental health problems. On the other hand, forgiveness simply means to stop feeling angry or resentful towards someone who offended you. And also, the good news is that studies have found that the act of forgiveness can reap huge uh, rewards for your